I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to Makeup Wednesdays. This week we're doing this look. It's a glittery green look, and if you want to know how to do that, then keep on watching. So today I'm just going to be doing a really simple green eyeshadow look with eyeliner, and I have a palette here that I don't have a name for, and so I want to be using this green, and I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with a flat brush like this one and put that eyeshadow on all over my lid. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use the same palette but the darker green right above it, and I'm using that in my outer corner and in my crease. Now I'm not doing any of this eyeshadow on my lower lashes because that's not what I want with this look. And yes, I'm going in with a round brush. Now what I want to do is go ahead and blend this eyeshadow so the lines are not that harsh. So I'm just going to go ahead and go in with my blender brush from Essence and blend that. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is putting on some liquid eyeliner, and I'm using the one from H&M, Dipliner ink, and I'm just gonna apply that. Now if you don't know how to apply eyeliner or don't know how I do it, I will try and link a tutorial up here, and then you can go ahead and watch that. Now that the eyeliner is up and you have created a border to the lower lashes, now if you have anything that is eyeshadow that is below the eyeliner, take some setting powder or a Q-tip or something and just remove that, because you don't want eyeshadow on the lower part of your eyes, not for this look anyway. Now that that is done, what I want to do is add some glitter to this look. Like, it's fine as it is, just I want glitter. So I have this palette with glitter that I have from YYS. I am going to use the gold one, so it's this one right here. And when it comes to glitter that are like this ones, you want to use your finger. There is already glitter in the eyeshadow. I just want to add more into the inner corners of my eye. And make sure you dab it, don't drag it, because this might undo the eyeshadow you already put on. Now that that is done, I want to put on some mascara, and I'm just going to be putting it on my upper lashes. But before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use the Maybelline's the Colossal mascara. It's one of my favorite ones. Now what I want to go ahead and do is line the waterline on my upper lashes, and I'm just going to go ahead and use a pencil eyeliner for that. Now I want to finish it off by putting on some setting spray, and I am using the Makeup Revolution Sports Fix, and it looks like this. And that is the finished look, the makeup look that I have for you today. It's very simple, it's very chic, very elegant, and I know that there is Christmas in a few days, and it is perfect if you are not the kind of person that is into red. You can use green. So that is all I have for you today, and if you liked the video, please leave a like down below, and if you have any questions or anything like that, then leave a comment down below. And if you want more content like this, then please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. Now I post my Makeup Wednesday videos every Wednesday at 8 o'clock Norwegian time, which makes it about 3 o'clock New York time. Next week it is Christmas break, and I am taking that week as a break, but I will be back again on the New Year. So with that, I want to say thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!